Fantom Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Fantom Wallet app is designed for one mission: to give users a fast, efficient, and secure way to interact with the Fantom blockchain. But is it worth your time and trust? Let's break down the pros, the cons, and the surprising truth about this wallet. Let's start with the good. The first thing that stands out about the Fantom Wallet is speed. Because it runs on the Fantom Opera network, transactions confirm in seconds with extremely low fees. That's one of Fantom's biggest advantages over Ethereum, and the wallet reflects that same lightning-fast performance. Another pro is simplicity. The wallet interface is clean, responsive, and designed with clarity in mind. You can easily send, receive, or stake Ethereum without needing deep blockchain knowledge. It's available as a web and mobile app, so accessibility isn't an issue. Speaking of staking, that's one of the biggest reasons people use this wallet. The Fantom Wallet lets you stake Ethereum directly and earn rewards with flexible lockup periods. You can even delegate your stake to validators safely without losing control of your coins. Security is another plus. Private keys are stored locally, not on centralized servers, meaning you truly own your assets. However, there are a few downsides. The wallet is specific to the Fantom network, so if you're holding other tokens like Ethereum or Solana, you need separate wallets. It's not a multi-chain solution. It's tailored for Ethereum and Fantom-based assets. Another con is that it lacks advanced features like built-in swaps or NIF support that other modern wallets now offer. And because it's still evolving, occasional bugs or sync issues can appear. In conclusion, the Fantom Wallet app is perfect for users who want a smooth, native experience for managing Ethereum and staking securely. It's simple, fast, and reliable, but limited in scope. The surprising truth? It's not trying to do everything, just one thing really well, making Fantom transactions effortless.